What's the meaning of cosmography? Cosmography. Cosmography.
Cosmography. Cosmography. Cosmography refers to the study of the universe and its structures, including its physical properties, dimensions, and composition. It seeks to understand the origins and processes that have shaped our universe and the natural laws that govern it. Cosmography encompasses a wide range of different scientific disciplines, such as astronomy, physics, and astrophysics. By combining these fields of study, cosmography provides a comprehensive understanding of the universe and helps us to better comprehend our place within it.